We have both the coffee cleaning pods and the coffee maker cleaner, and they're slightly different. I use them for different reasons, and I thought I'd show you the main differences to help you make the best decision for you. I would say the pod in general is so much easier because it just pops into the slot. The main goal of this one is to get rid of the oils, the residue, all the stuff that forms when those needles pop the top and the bottom of these containers. They fill up with water and then the water flows to the bottom. So the cleaning is really centralized to this main section, but it is the main section where the clogs happen. The pods work completely differently. They operate through the entire machine. So you drop them in the water reservoir. I need to fill it. And then this cleaner runs throughout the entire system and cleans the entire system. It just takes a lot longer because it's more diluted by the time it gets up here because it's gone through everything else, and you have to just keep running cycles and cycles and cycles of water through the whole machine, where this just seems a little bit faster because it's very concentrated to just the front. I'll show you the difference in the two, and hopefully that'll help. The pods come in a 12 pack. The cleaning tablets come in a 24 pack. Both are super easy to organize and access, and we can just keep them with the rest of our cleaning supplies. You pop it in like any other and then just let her rip. What you'll notice is what's happening inside is a foaming agent is being released. So as the water is flowing through the machine, as you see the material come out, it's just a little bit, you can see it's kind of gross. It's just taking all the oils and the leftover coffee materials that were in the machine and bringing them out. And you can see here the cleaning agent is coming. This is not clear water like it normally would be. It is full of the materials. Directions say to use these pods when you're noticing a bitter or a stale taste of coffee, if you're noticing any of the oils or the residue really starting to build up in this chamber, if you're getting to see the clog, or you're just seeing slower water flows. This is a pretty good water flow, but at times I've seen it really trickle if I haven't been maintaining the machine well because I'm lazy. So this really helps the long-term longevity of the machine. Here's a view of what came out. It's not pretty, it's pretty gross, but what I will do now is take the pod out and then continue to just run clear water through the machine until the water that comes through is clear. So the pods are literally that simple. Shove it in, let it go through, let the water run again and again. These are a little bit more involved, but I feel like they clean the machine at a higher level, so it just depends on how much work you want to do. As you can see, the second that the pods go in, they're releasing all of the materials, and it flows throughout the entire machine. So what I'll begin to do is just run clear water through the machine once this continues to stop bubbling, and then throughout all of the units of the machine, this will run through, and I have to continue doing this cycle until the entire water comes through clear on the other side. So in my opinion, it's more effective, substantial for the entire machine, but it is a lot more work, and when you're feeling lazy, it's nice to do this quickly. Here's a view of this solution running through the machine. You see it's not as milky or foamy. It is more focused on the internal components, the descaling, those kind of elements more so than just this, so it doesn't have the foaming element. Just finished running one unit through the machine. It's not a totally helpful analysis because I already ran the pod through, but you can see there are chunks and things that it did gather still out of the top of the unit. So not only is it descaling, deodorizing, refreshing the inside, but because it's still shoving water and cleaner through the front of the machine, it is getting some of those additional coffee grinds that the pod did not get. So I love the 1-2 punch of this. Overall, how do I decide between the two? The pods for me are the quick one-time maintenance, pop it in, and it really focuses on cleaning the oils, the residue here where the majority of the machine has its problems. The challenge is it does not address the lime scale and the residue buildup in the internal units of the machine. This coffee cleaner does that. It descales, deodorizes, and refreshes all of the internal parts, and it comes through here as well. It's really every 3 months you can really get in there and make the long-term use of the machine much more effective. So in my opinion, I'm keeping both. I'm lazy and I want the quick hit. I want to get rid of all the gunk where the majority of the problems happen, but I'm not an idiot either. I know I need to do this. Even though it takes a while, I run it through the whole machine. Just set a reminder on my phone to remind me to do it like once a quarter, and then I'm good to go, and hopefully this thing keeps on churning. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.